Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can find the correct TV wall mount compared to your TV side. Okay, all the TV wall mount panel, there's a mark here. You can see this is suitable for 14 inch up to 42 inch. Okay, for example, if you have the 32-inch TV, this one is the correct for your TV, and if you scale up to 42, you can still use this one, but by the way, if you have the 42 inch, I think you should buy the bigger size, because this one you're now using the maximum weight capacity to that plate. Okay, and let's see another bigger size. You can see here, this one is from the 26 inch up to 65 inch, and don't worry, all accessories are included in the package, and no matter what size of your TV, there's many screws that you can use to screw with this TV. Okay, and this long side of the connection to your TV, it's adjustable. You can see all the points that can connect through your TV. And for the smaller one, you see it's used the plate small like this. Okay, and it can only connect up to 42 inch, and there's many screw inside the box. You can use it and select to the correct screw to your TV. And after that, you can connect to your TV. Okay, for more information, let's check out in the description. I will put a video how you can install the TV to TV wall mount. Okay, this is just for your information how you can select the correct TV wall mount size compared to your TV. And I hope you got everything that you want to know. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.